So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to discuss how you can disable the notifications from a particular server on Discord, not for the whole servers or not for the whole Discord account, for some particular servers of which you want to disable the notifications of messages. So you can do that process very easily. First of all, you need to download and log into the Discord account on any of the platform. You can do the same process on smartphone as well. For this video I'm going to open Discord on my Windows PC. Now when you open this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this page. Now to find that particular option, you have to first simply go to the option of server settings. Here on the left top option you're gonna find full name of the server. Just simply when you hit there, a small window will pop right in front of you, and here you're gonna see the option of server settings. Just simply click there. Now you're in the settings of the server. Here all the settings that you have been changing are going to impact on this particular server only, of which you have been editing. Now here you need to scroll down until you find an option of default notification settings section. Here you're gonna see the messages notifications. Currently it's enabled as all messages. Just simply hit the option of only mentions. Now once you do that, the only when people some people going to mention you on a server, only when then you're going to receive the notification. Otherwise you don't get notifications from the direct messages that have been coming or sending on this particular Discord server. So by this method you can easily disable the notifications from a particular server on Discord. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting videos. See you in the next one. Take care.